Hey everyone, so this is our project and this is our database, a school system, and here you can see that we have our drop statement. So if there's a duplicate table, then it's going to drop the tables. And here's our 5 tables: student, instructor, classroom, course, and enrollment. And this is our index statements, and this is our trigger statement, which says that if there is a capacity overreach, then it will throw an error and it would not let us add students. And this is our insert statements for the instructor and the classroom, and this is for the course, and this is for the enrollment for the fall semester, and this is for the spring. And so this here we can see that this is a to test, so we can see that if the limit reaches the capacity, then it's gonna throw an error, and we can test this later when we test our queries, but for now let's move on. And this is our fall 2026 enrollment, and this is our first query. So to go back here, we can test this right here. So as you can see, I'm gonna run the query now, and it throws an error because we reached the capacity. So the trigger is working as we expected, and this is our first query where we will see the course rosters by the term. So when we run it, we can see the first name, the last name, the semester, the course code, and yeah, it is working as we expected. And yep, this is our first query.
So hi there, my name is Sarthik. I'll be going over the next query. So we'll be selecting from the classroom table the building, room number, and from the course table we'll be selecting course code. From enrollment table we'll be selecting semester, and all this will be from the enrollment table, which you got a Z, as you can see here. We'll also count it as enrolled. Then we'll do a quick join from course onto the enrollment course ID. So C course ID is equivalent to E course ID, so we'll be combining them two by that key. Then we'll do another join from classroom table, classroom ID, onto the classroom ID. And then we'll be selecting the ones where the semester is fall 2025. And we'll also make sure to group them by classroom building, classroom room number, course code, and then the enrollment semester.
Hello, my name is Sebastian. Right now I'll be running the student transcript like view query. So first, let me run it. Okay. And first we're going to start off by selecting the student first name, last name, as well as the semester and course code, course name, and the grade. So these will be coming from the enrollment table, E. What we're going to do is join the student ID from the student table with student ID from the enrollment table, as well as join course ID from course with course ID from enrollment. We want to sort by semester so that's like ordered just like a regular transcript, and the where clause here will filter by this student's email, so we only have this student's transcript. And that's all.
Hey everyone, my name is Justin, and I'll be going over this query right here. So basically, we want to select the instructor ID, the first name, the last name, and the department from the instructor's table, and we want to check that it doesn't exist in the table first. So if it doesn't exist, we're gonna select one, and then from the courses table as C, and we want to join the enrollment as E when the course ID from the enrollment is the same as the course ID from the class. And so we are also checking that the course instructor ID is also the same as the instructor ID as well. So we're making join statements here. And the final check is that the semester must be fall 2025. So if I were to highlight it here, and then I run this query, we can see the table here where we have 2 people. Yeah, this is our query results. So this is what we return from the statements that are within the where not exists. And that's basically what this SQL query is doing. So thank you.
So here we're using our different query here, and we have a select statement that selects all the semester, course code, and grade. from the enrollment table, where we're using the index to quickly find the enrollment information for the student with the email Sarah Lee HSU edu and the semester fall 2025. And this is our update query where we are updating the grade to A minus for the student whose email is Miguel Chen HSU and the course ID is 149 and the semester as spring 2026. So this is to see and check if it actually works. So here we can run our query. We select and run, and we can see that the grade has updated to A minus where the course code is 149. And yep, that's all we have.